So how the heck do you add a footing under an existing house? It seems inconceivable to me.
Okay, very carefully, right. So what we did do though is we dug down beyond the wall, almost to where the footing should be.
Yep.
We've undermined this 12-inch wall just a little bit.
So when you say dug down, you go deeper, and then undermining is actually digging underneath the wall a few inches?
Correct, correct. So
Wow.
so we undermined just a few inches, but we did go about 6 or 8 inches deeper than the bottom of the foundation wall.
Okay. And now I'm seeing rebar here laid in as well?
So we want to make a good connection, of course, between the existing and then what we pour. So what we've done is we've doweled into the existing 12-inch wall.
Yep.
You can see that, that's nice.
Yep.
And then we ran just basically a re-rod grid throughout the forms all the way from here, all the way to where we end in the other corner.
So when we fill this with concrete, we've got a couple things going on. You're going to have some of it slip underneath the existing foundation.
That's right.
That's going to sort of grab it there, and then that rod is going to pin into it and grab it there as well.
Correct, and what we have right now is we have a very light house. The roof is gone and all the material. The floor's above us, no more plaster. So
Shed a few pounds, huh?
It shed a few pounds, right. So we're going to take advantage of that, and that's why we've been able to go all the way around the basement
All right.
with our forms.
Well, when I was pulling up, I saw the concrete truck showing up as well, so let's get to it.
All right, guys, let's go. So, Kevin, as you can see, we have Mark spraying down these forms. As you know, plywood forms are going to suck that water right out of the concrete. So we're going to kind of cheat the system to soak these forms down.
Okay, Mark, your hard-working crew's making short work of this.
Yeah. So it went great. We're all the way around to the end.
Yeah.
I'm troweled up until this corner.
Yeah.
I'm actually getting set up over here, so
Already,
that's
huh?
why we're going to move quick. But we're looking good. Forms are gone tomorrow. I'm glad we did it. I felt really good about putting these forms here. A little nervous when we dug down and didn't find a footing, but I think we got it now. So.
All right, good job.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thanks, Kevin.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.